nothing changes.
Hey, welcome in guys to the channel. Thank you for joining me here on Sunday, June 20th, 2021. It's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to everybody out there, as long as I get this uploaded tonight. But I wanted to let everyone know there has been some increases in PayPal fees, so I want to jump over to that story. And it's from The Verge, from Kim Lyons at The Verge, posted yesterday, Saturday, June 19th at 9:35 in the morning. So there are some increases to PayPal fees. Of course, those of us selling on eBay, moving over to managed payments, it should not affect you there. But if you use PayPal for direct payments, maybe through Shopify, through Instagram, or other platforms that still accept PayPal, then you could have some issues with some of your fees going up. And I want to cover that. So let's jump over there and check it out from Kim Lyons at The Verge. As always, guys, thanks to all the sponsors from our great affiliate products and partners who help support this channel and support all of you as resellers. List Perfectly, our #1 sponsor, of course. The team at List Perfectly, the best cross-listing product and source available to you on the internet, on this planet. You can cross-list all of your inventory from one platform to 12 others in literally minutes and hours for an entire store's worth. So get it done, get it quick, and make more sales and more money. It pays for itself in just 1 or 2 sold items, usually. Well worth it. So check out List Perfectly. I'll put a video link to LP down in the description box, along with a 30% off your first month discount code. Check that out. It is RockstarLP for List Perfectly. That's your discount code, and 30% off your first month. Go cross-list all of your inventory, make more money, and tell them Rockstarflipper sent you. Go get them, List Perfectly. You are the best cross-listing tool on the planet. Okay, so here's the story from The Verge. PayPal raising merchant fees on some of its transactions. The price increases will affect some of the newer products like Venmo. Kim Lyons, June 19th, 9:35 Eastern Time yesterday on The Verge. So PayPal said Friday it's raising fees for some of its newer products to better align our pricing with the value that our products and services provide, according to a blog post by Senior Vice President Dan Lieberman. These changes will affect how much PayPal merchants pay per transaction, and they take effect August 2nd. So a little more than a month you got to these take effect. PayPal has become more than just a button or payment processor to be a full commerce platform capable of driving growth for business, according to the blog post. Consumers are nearly 3 times more likely to complete their purchase when PayPal is available at checkout. I don't know how accurate that is, but a lot of people do use PayPal. In the past, PayPal has had a flat rate for sellers processing payments, charging 2.9% plus a 30-cent fee. I do hundreds of thousands of dollars with PayPal. That is correct. The new higher rates will apply to the company's newer products like PayPal Checkout, Pay with Venmo. According to its first quarter earnings report, PayPal has 392 million active accounts. So here's the new fee schedule breakdown. For PayPal digital payments with its PayPal Checkout, Pay with Venmo, PayPal Credit Card Pay in 4, PayPal Pay with Rewards, and Checkout with Crypto, the new rate for online transactions will be 3.49% plus 491%. So this says with PayPal Checkout. Now, I imagine if that's on a website that you have set up, I would guess, like I have Shopify, I guess that's going to hit us. I don't know if it means if I send you a direct invoice if that's going to change. We'll have to wait and see. But that's the new transaction fee for that. Excuse me. So for in-person payments with PayPal and Venmo QR code transactions over $10, the rate will be 1.9 plus 10 cents. And for transactions 10 and less, the rate will be 2.4 plus 5 cents. For certain in-person debit credit transactions, the rate will be 2.29 plus 9 cents. The rate for online credit and debit card transactions will be 2.59 plus 49 and a tenth cent, 491, whatever. Per transaction without a chargeback protection. If you want chargeback protection, it's 2.99 plus 49 cents. The fee for charity transactions, they charge for charity transactions, 1.99 plus 49, and U.S. merchants who have custom non-standard pricing rates will remain unchanged. So there you go. Keep an eye on your PayPal invoices and the fees. If you do accounting and tracking and you're automatically calculating 2.9 plus 30, you may have to change on some of those. But anyways, I'll keep you guys up to date on that as I see it in my own PayPal. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, do comment below. How many of you still use PayPal when you're selling on eBay? You haven't been moved over to manage payments just yet. Comment that down below as well. I'd like to see how many people are still on PayPal. And as always, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Blue thumbs up helps this video, helps the algorithm, helps me, helps the channel. And if you don't mind subscribing, I would really, really appreciate that as well. Have a wonderful rest of what's left of your weekend and Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, and I'll see you guys next time.